Welcome back to Postcaps TV, back again with another one. So today we are doing part 4 of teaching Owza how to drive. So we'll be doing a parking, we'll be doing early to key, we'll be doing a left turn, we'll be doing a straight reverse and an incline. We'll do a straight reverse, early to key, incline and a straight reverse. So yeah, the track is here, so let's go. Yeah. Mr. Keep it. You good, man?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. You know what you're going to do now?
Yeah.
We'll be watching you driving now. Then, yeah. I want to put you in the polls, but we do it on the different video, but in the same video. So, today, you're going to show us your POV drive, the point of view of you driving. No lecture next to you, no instructor next to you, no nothing next to you. You're alone now, so no one will tell you anything. So we'll see how are you holding up. So yeah, you ready? Let's go, bro. Let's go. Just take the truck and go. Slow. Yeah? Wait, it's bad. Go like that. What you? You know the drill, you know how we rock here, you know how we rock here. You know everything now.
See, boy. Let's see.
What's up? thumbnails I shoot up here. Two. One. Three. Hand pick up. Balance. Yeah, forward one. Balance. My kuyaki on. Balance. Kaibu ngatia shukum. Yeah, so get break.
Oh,
Get break. Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah. That's it. Bit and pick up gear neutral some more. So. Keep it.
yeah.
Gear neutral.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
What an experience.
Yeah.
Hey. So I believe to right.
Right.
So I believe to right.
Right.
I believe to right.
Right. So yeah, that's the wrap of the video. So if you haven't liked, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. That's part 4 of teaching Owza how to drive. Let's go.